For this craft, you'll need 2 pipe cleaners. Twist them together all the way to the end. This makes the heart stronger. Then pick out some beads, depending on how many breaths you want, and fold the pipe cleaner in half. Add the beads. In this case, I'm doing 3 on each side, which will mean 3 breaths. Then curve in the tops of the pipe cleaners, and this can be a bit tricky if they're not level, so trim them if you need to. Then simply pop the bead on and fold up the pointy bits at the end. Then position your beads, and you can take a breath in, moving the beads as you breathe in and you breathe out. And make sure you think about 3 things that you love about yourself.